students. Today in environmental education, we are going to discuss about ethnobotany and its role in the present day world. Here we are going to discuss following topics: meaning of ethnobotany, different aspects of ethnobotany along with its importance. Now, ethnobotany is a systematic study of the relationship between plants and people. Ethnobotany is an integrative, multidisciplinary field of learning. So, the tools of ethnobotanical investigation are many: botany, mycology, taxonomy, anthropology, ethnography, archaeology, religious studies, medicine, chemistry, pharmacology, and more. The term ethnobotany was coined by J.W. Hirschberger in 1895 to include the study of plants used by the primitive and aboriginal people. Though this discipline has existed for the ages, ethnobotany emerged as a distinct academic approach of natural science in the 20th century. Different aspects of ethnobotany. Due to interdisciplinary in nature and socio-economic impacts, the linkages of ethnobotany have proliferated. Ethnobotany thus has relevance with problems of nutrition, healthcare, life support system, social custom, mythological association or faith in plants, cottage industries, economic upliftment, conservation of biodiversity, and sustainable use of plant resources. Today, ethnobotany has become an important and crucial area of research and development in resource management, sustainable utilization and conservation of biodiversity, and socio-economic development. Now, the botanist, social scientist, anthropologist, the practitioners of indigenous medicines all over the world are engaged in the study of man-plant interactions in natural environment. Ethnobotany and its role in the present day world. Today, ethnobotany has become an important and crucial area of research and development in resource management, sustainable utilization and conservation of biodiversity, and socio-economic development. Now, the botanists, social scientists, anthropologists, the practitioners of indigenous medicines all over the world are engaged in the study of man-plant interaction in the natural environment. Ethnobotany provides information regarding the traditional uses of plants' wealth which can be utilized in integrated tribal development. Second, the ethnobotanical studies throw light on certain unknown useful plants and new uses of many known plants which can be exploited for developing new sources of some plant products and agro-based industries for the upliftment of tribal communities. Third is, with the opening of new vistas of ethnobotany, the scope of this natural science has now greatly increased both in terms of theoretical contribution towards understanding of plant-human relationship and the practical knowledge of tribal people in medicine, agriculture, health and industry. The tribal depend mostly on forest flora for meeting their day-to-day needs and primary health care. They collect and utilize many wild plants for food, medicines, fibers, oil, gums, tannins and dyes for the ambient vegetation of their localities. The future of ethnobotany lies squarely in conservation of both plant species and the cultures that know how to use them. Ethnobotany provides several approaches in plant researches which help in medical treatments as well. Thank you.